Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, and at any time during this video you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't seen parts 1, 2, and 3, parts 1, 2, and 3, sorry, please go in the link in the description to watch those parts. So today, we'll be looking at part 2 of the 1990 tokens. Now, these tokens, I refer them as the CEC pizza tokens. And the only reason why I say that, because on the back of these tokens, they have the Chuck E. Cheese pizza logo. And on the front, it looks like one of these ones that you see in a future video. See? Now, unlike the last one, this one says where a kid can be a kid in the year. So this will be a quick video, I promise. See? There's one. There's another one that's in much better condition. There's this one that has aged beautifully. They all have aged beautifully, technically. This one was during the rebranding era of Chuck E. Cheese's. So when the company that owned Chuck E. Cheese's changed all their Showbiz Pizza Place restaurants to Chuck E. Cheese's, which is why there's 3-stage Chuck E. Cheese's. A 3-stage. Sorry. So, that is it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys. Have a good day or night. Over and out.